Here's a 2015 Chrysler 300. Exceptional in every way, it sets the standard for stunning. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.